Hey everybody, today on Talk Up Tuesday, living the lake life. Wow, super excited today to announce that we've opened a new location in Kelowna, servicing all of the Okanagan Valley from Vernon all the way down to Osoyoos. Chris Policarpo has been a employee and subcontractor of ours here in Calgary for a long time, and him and his family are heading back to Kelowna, back to their roots, to open a new business. Super excited for Chris and his family. If you're looking for anything, painting or small handyman jobs, painting side, residential, commercial, interior, exterior, cabinets, lacquering, anything you can think of when it comes to painting, condominium complexes, Chris is your guy. He's also a great handyman doing small jobs for handyman. Check out Chris, www.hardingservices.com. It's geo-linked for the Kelowna location. 833-423-9829 is the number throughout the valley that you can get a hold of Chris. Super excited. Thank you, Chris, for coming on board. We love working with you and can't wait to help grow your business for you. Have a great day, everybody. Thanks.